Today's lesson is on abbreviations, and the following will be discussed. We'll look at the acronyms, we'll look at shortening, initialism, and contraction. And lastly, we will get a link and a QR code for a quiz. Right, what is abbreviation? It is a shortening of a word or a phrase. And for the purpose of this lesson, all that I have mentioned before, which refer to abbreviation, will also cover everything. Right, let us get an acronym. An acronym is made up of parts of the phrase it stands for and is pronounced as a word. For example, SAFA and Soweto. Note that we do not use full stops for acronyms. Let's look at shortening. Shortening is a truncated or a word that has been cut short. For an example, information becomes info and residence becomes res. And initialism. It is an abbreviation that uses the first letter of each word in the phrase. For an example, Mr. becomes MR and doctor becomes DR. Note that British usage favors omitting the full stop in abbreviations. So every time when you see Mr. with a full stop after an R, remember that is an American usage. We in South Africa, we use British English. And contractions are formed by combining two words and omitting one or more letters. The deleted words in contraction are replaced with an apostrophe. For an example, cannot becomes can't and will not becomes won't. Look at the position of an apostrophe, because that's where the problem becomes whenever you want to use or learners want to use contraction. Take note of the following. Avoid excessive abbreviations. Use standard abbreviations only, as I've already indicated, preferably in British English. And do not pick up your own abbreviations. Thank you very much. We've come to the end of the lesson. And this is the QR code and the link. This will also be posted on the group. Thank you very much and have a wonderful afternoon.